You are welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how to find relationship between groundwater potential and borehole yield. You want to see the kind of relationship that exists between groundwater potential map produced and the existing borehole yield in that area. And worthy of note is that there can be two possibilities, two outcomes of the relationship. Number one is that the relationship can be positive or negative relationship. And number two, the relationship can be weak or strong relationship, which means you can have a weak positive relationship or strong positive relationship. You can equally have a weak negative relationship or strong negative relationship. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So I want to follow this very particular paper. This is analysis of spatial relationship between groundwater potential zones and borehole yield in Okene local government area, Kogi State, by Adaviruku et al. 2023. To start with, let's look at some fundamental issues. What is groundwater potential? Please, you can check the description box. You see the link to download this material, so you can even follow it, follow the methodology, and you get the same results. So groundwater potential refers to the likelihood of groundwater being found in commercial quantity in an area. So which means it is the viability of an area to be an aquifer which can be used for groundwater development. Secondly, groundwater potential determines how prolific or not a borehole will be. And the second fundamental is borehole yield. The yield of a borehole refers to the quantity of water that can be pumped out from it within a given time. And of course, it is expressed in liter per second, cube per hour, meter per cube per day, etc. So these are the fundamentals we need to know. So we want to use the data extracted from this paper to demonstrate how to find the relationship between groundwater potential and borehole yield. So I have the raw data. This is groundwater potential value and borehole yield. For you to get your groundwater potential value, you can check the description box also and see the video I've done on that, on how to extract raster values to points. So you will be able to know how to extract to get your groundwater potential value and of course your borehole yield. And you know your borehole yield can get it from borehole drilling companies, or you can carry out pumping test yourself. Now, if you look at this value to find the relationship between them, what to do is that as you put it in Excel, you come to data analysis. You see correlation. Double click or just click OK. Correlation. So it will ask you, what is the range of your data? What is the range of your data? So what to do is that you click from here and drag it down to the last value. Then you click on OK. So when you click on OK, it will give you the result. So this is the correlation value. Remember that you can come back here. Your column 1, this column is this column 1. This is column 1, groundwater potential, and column 2 is the borehole yield. The borehole yield. So this is borehole yield. So we can see the relationship. This is what the value we are, the correlation value we are after is 0.9190. This is the correlation value and it is positive. The correlation value ranges between -1 to +1. So the value we got is 0.9190. If we go back to the paper, I think it's in abstracts, can see the value here. This is the value here. The correlation value is positive. So what does that mean? If you go back to the table, this is the correlation value gotten. This is it. Correlation value gotten. So you can do the same and see the result. The value used in this video is the raw value before normalization of the groundwater potential. So sometimes it's good you use the raw value of your groundwater potential, or you may decide to normalize your groundwater potential before using the value. So what it means is that since we got positive relationship, it implies that as the groundwater potential is increasing, look at this value, positive. As the groundwater potential is increasing, the borehole yield is also increasing, and this is a strong positive relationship. So as the groundwater potential is increasing, borehole yield is also increasing. So you can read more on this paper by Adavi-Ruku et al. 2023. The description box, I gave the link to download this material. So this is how to find the relationship between groundwater potential and borehole yield. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe.